Icebergs are big chunks of ice that have broken off from glaciers or ice shelves and are floating in the ocean. They happen when the weight of the ice cracks and breaks up the ice, letting big pieces break off and float away. Most icebergs are made of freshwater that has frozen solid, but some can also have saltwater that has frozen solid inside them. They live in polar places like Antarctica and Greenland. They can be as short as a few meters or as long as several kilometers. When snow builds up over a long period of time and freezes, it forms icebergs. This ice can build up over time and turn into a glacier, which can move downhill and into the ocean. When a glacier's edge reaches the water, it starts to break up into icebergs. Ocean currents move these chunks of ice, which can travel a long way before they melt. When icebergs melt, the fresh water they hold can change the salinity of the water around them and mess up ocean currents. Icebergs can form naturally, but they can also form as a result of human actions, such as climate change, which is causing glaciers and ice shelves to melt more quickly, which is causing more icebergs to form. Understanding what icebergs mean is important for keeping them around and keeping the delicate balance of the planet's ecosystems. If you want to find out the answers to the questions you've always had, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.